Hey all, Nate here, Outside Cleaners on Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Um, Look, right away, we're having a bunch of thunder outside right now, and if you hear it, it's not me. Look, I started making these videos quite a while ago as sort of an illustration to prospective customers, and that's worked great. But what's also happened is these days I regularly hear from other cleaners out there. What I'm going to do, kind of starting today, is I'm gonna put out sort of some videos that are for the cleaners, not so much the consumers. We'll see how it goes. If you have suggestions on topics, please let me know. But let's start with just the basics here. And some of you will laugh and some of you won't. But I get a lot of questions. What the hell's with the tennis balls on my ladders? All right, whatever you do not put your ladder straight up against someone's gutters or somebody's siding. Okay. Don't be that guy that dents those nice gutters or leaves scratches on that nice siding. All right, so ladder standoffs are what some folks call bullhorns. They come in different shapes and sizes. I like this one. This is made by Werner, which is a big name in ladders. This is model AC78. They call it the quick click. The quick click. I'll put a link to sort of a site where you can get it in the description of this video. I like it because it's quick on and quick off. It just uses like a little cam lock type thing, and it does lock in place with a lock pin, which you may or may not choose to use. So no messing around with wing nuts and no stupid U-bolts and all that stuff. The only problem with this, or really any other ladder standoffs I've seen, is that what happens is these little plastic feet, these things wear through pretty quick. And then what you get is your square aluminum tubing poking out where it's just waiting to scratch up that siding or leave a gouge on an asphalt roof if you're putting your ladder up just above the gutter line. So what I've learned to do is this. Get a bag of tennis balls. All right, you're going to need a Sharpie and you're going to need a pretty sharp knife. And all I do is I draw this big X on it. That helps me. I guess you don't have to, but it helps me. And then I just cut right on the X. You fold it open. It's tricky at first, but you fold it open and you just stick this thing right on the end of the tubing. All right? And what I do, I guess you don't have to, but it helps the tennis balls stay on your ladder if you throw a little duct tape around the edge. Look, I've got a bunch of ladders. I do this on all of them. I might have to replace the tennis balls like once a season. It's not a high maintenance thing, but it is a visible thing. And I will say that not only does it work well, but customers love seeing it. They are appreciative of it. All right. They love seeing that kind of care is being taken on their property. All right. Thanks for listening. Any questions, let me know. Bye for now.